This 2022 Newmar Ventana 4369 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 43 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Belmont Glacier Glazed Maple interior, sleeps 4, air conditioning, slideout, smoke detector, awning, self-contained, skylight, external shower, auxiliary battery, TV antenna, stove-top burner, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear entertainment. This 2022 Newmar Ventana 4369 is built on a Spartan K2 Tag Axle chassis and is powered by a Cummins L9 engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.